Sustainable Skylines and USI partner on training and certification program to develop new career path. In a landmark partnership, Sustainable Skylines, an innovative drone advertising and data analytics firm, has joined forces with the Unmanned Safety Institute, USI, a leader in aviation safety training, to establish a groundbreaking training and certification program. This collaboration is set to revolutionize the way aviators enter the burgeoning field of aerial drone advertising, offering a safer, more environmentally friendly alternative to traditional banner towing. Operating out of Miami, Florida, and Panama City, Florida, this partnership marks a significant milestone in commercial drone operations. Sustainable Skylines has the distinction of being the first drone banner towing company in the U.S. to gain Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) approval for commercial endeavors. With its FAA Section 44807 exemption and banner towing authorization, the company is poised to deploy full-size banner advertisements towed by drones along Miami Beach in 2024. Aerial drone advertising, as facilitated by Sustainable Skylines, presents several key advantages over its traditional counterparts. These drones offer enhanced safety, improved environmental credentials, greater maneuverability, and the ability to operate at lower speeds and altitudes without the need for a runway. Additionally, the incorporation of precise attention analytics into drone banner advertising is set to revolutionize brand engagement, making it an attractive proposition for advertisers. Jacob Stonecipher, the founder and CEO of Sustainable Skylines, shared his enthusiasm for the venture. As we refine our drone technology, we're also building the necessary infrastructure for scalable drone advertising operations. Our partnership with USI is pivotal, enabling us to train pilots and flight staff to operate our drones safely. While Miami Beach will be the launchpad for our operations, we are ready for rapid expansion into new markets and partnerships with brands to highlight the benefits of aerial banner towing. Leveraging years of expertise in aviation, commercial drones, and Department of Defense operations, USI has developed a comprehensive training program that mirrors traditional aviation training standards under FAR Part 141. This program is tailored for individuals aspiring to join the Sustainable Skylines team as certified aerial drone advertising operators. Joshua Olds, CEO, President, and co-founder of USI, emphasized the significance of this initiative. Sustainable Skylines has introduced a groundbreaking application for uncrewed aircraft systems, opening up new career opportunities in a high-skill, high-wage sector that does not require a commercial pilot license. We are excited to work with licensed pilots and aspiring aviators alike, through our collaborations with academic institutions. This partnership not only signifies a step forward in drone aviation but also underscores the evolving landscape of aerial advertising. With a focus on safety, sustainability, and technological advancement, Sustainable Skylines and USI are charting a new course for aviators and advertisers alike. For more information about the training and certification program or career opportunities with Sustainable Skylines, visit their website.